Okay. So, any doubts in yesterday's class about product owner? Kiran, Kanchan?
No.
No, Mana.
Okay. Right. Today we are going to learn about the Scrum Master. Okay. Now, Scrum Master. Right. Now, who is Scrum Master? Right. Scrum Master is a servant leader. Okay. We call him as servant leader. Okay. What does it mean by servant? He serves he serves for development team and to the testing team. Okay, he is serving for development team and testing team. What he is serving, Manoj? Any food? No, guys. He is acting as a servant leader that whatever the team requires, okay, whatever the team requires, what this Scrum Master is doing, he is getting getting it as done. Okay, just consider initially he is having some product backlog items. Okay, some product backlog items are there. Those product backlog items has moved to the sprint backlog, guys. Okay, now what the development team and testing team should know, they have to know about those requirements, right? They have to know about those requirements. Now, what is this Scrum Master is doing, guys? Now, this Scrum Master is making it done for the development team and testing team. How? How in the sense he is making the product owner to explain explain about the requirements. Okay, guys, and not only these things, guys, he is apart from ahead also, right? He will protect protect the team, protect the team from outside distractions. Okay, outside distractions. Okay, as a Scrum Master, as a SM. Okay, as a Scrum Master, he will ensure that making a good relationship between development team, dev team, like a Scrum team, and with the clients. Clients is also called as stakeholders. Okay, not only this, guys, he will do lot of things. Okay, and what he will do, SM will make the team members to follow agile values and principles. Okay, same thing. SM will make the team members to follow Scrum pillars. Right, guys? Guys, understood? Hello?
Yes, Manoj.
Kanchan?
Yes.
These are the some of the roles and responsibilities as a Scrum Master we have to do. Okay? Uh, did you write anywhere coding in here, Kanchan?
No.
No. What you are doing here? You are managing the things. Right, guys? You are just managing the things here. Manoj, I want to know more. Okay, then I will show you the documentation. See here, roles of a Scrum Master. Right? What are the roles of a Scrum Master? As a Scrum Master, I will manage daily organizing Scrum calls. That we are going to call it as stand-up calls. Right? Sending reports across the team. How to send it? I will explain. I'm handling the team. Right. As a Scrum Master, I will coach my team to follow agile practices, values, methodologies, principles, Scrum framework, all these things. I will try to encourage my team. Why you are encouraging your team? To be in a good way, right? To be in a good way, I'm encouraging my team. And I'm motivating my team to minimize their weaknesses, right? And making a good collaboration and coordination between team and team members, right? These are all the things that as a Scrum Master we are doing with us. Okay, I will give these documentations whenever the time comes. Okay, no need to worry about it. Not only those guys, I will give you all these documentations. Okay, now those are the things as a Scrum Master we are doing with this. Okay, coming to the Scrum team. Okay, what is this Scrum team is doing, guys? Let me paste it here. Now, what this Scrum team is doing? Okay, Scrum team is nothing but development team and testing team. Right or wrong? What these guys are doing, guys? These only one point, guys. There is only one point. This development team plus testing team is working on client requirements to make it as done. Understood, guys? Poonam. Hi, Poonam. Hello.
Hey, hi Manoj.
Yeah, a bit later.
Yeah, it's been difficult to manage actually. I'm trying. Maybe
Uh,
tomorrow I'll try to make it at 8.
okay, okay. Yeah, okay. Uh, just now I just explained some other person. Okay, Vijay. Hi, Vijay.
Hey, hi Manoj.
Your phone was switched off, man.
Yeah, I know, because I'm traveling again back to Bangalore.
Okay,
So that's the reason. One more phone I'm using.
okay. Just ping that number also. If anything has happened, I can make that to the. I mean, I can make a call to that number also.
Okay, sure, Manoj.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, you can mute yourself and okay, right, guys. See here, what I'm just explained is yesterday I explained about what product owner, right? Today I'm explaining about the Scrum Master and about the Scrum team, guys. Okay, Scrum Master. What is meant by Scrum Master? Who is a Scrum Master? Simply, Scrum Master, we are going to call it as a servant leader, guys. Okay, means what, Manoj? He serves to some other? Yes, he will serve to He will serve for development team and testing team. Okay. Serving means he is not the server, guys. Okay. Not giving any coffee or teas or any food, right? He is not like that server. Okay. Whatever the difficulties, okay, whatever the difficulties that are facing by the testing team and development team, okay, he will stand ahead, okay, he will stand in front of them, and whatever the impediments they are getting, this scrum master will act as a servant leader to them and make it done to make the development team and testing team comfortable. Okay, guys, what are those? Do we have any example? Yes, we do have some of the examples. Just see here, he is making the product just in case we have a requirements in the product backlog. I said about some of the things about product backlog. Everything will be kept by the product owner, right? How we can complete those requirements if we don't know anything about those, right? Who has to explain those? Those things has to be explained by the product owner, right? Okay, product owner explained the things, but development team didn't understand about the requirement. Now here the scrum master will come into the picture, right? Hey product owner, my development team can't able to understand. Can you can you explain more specific? So these are the things will be done by the scrum master. And not only those things, right? He is going to make a good relationship between the clients and with the scrum team. Okay, that means development team plus clients. He is going to make a good collaboration and coordination between these team members as well, right? Also that he or she, okay, he or she make the team members to follow agile values and principles. Why, Manoj? Why we have to follow agile values and principles? Why? Because we are working in agile methodology, right? If you are playing cricket, you have to follow the cricket rules, right? You cannot follow the football rules, right? If you are playing badminton, you have to follow the badminton rules. You should not follow the tennis rules, right, guys? That is the thing. Okay, so these are the some Scrum Master roles and responsibilities, or what is a Scrum Master, about Scrum Master, right? Coming to the any doubts, guys? Poonam, any doubts?
No, all good, Manoj.
Yes, Vijay.
Nice, Manoj, clear.
Yeah, thank you. Right. Coming to this Scrum team, guys. Here we are having only one answer, guys. No need to have a very big answer. We have only one answer. What is Scrum team? Scrum team is a combination of development plus QA. Okay, Manoj, for the Scrum Master, you said a lot of points, and yesterday for the product owner, you just said a lot of points. Yes, their roles are different. Coming to the development team and testing team, what they are doing, guys? They are working on the tickets. That's it. Do you think they are keep on working on any I mean what we can say, any free daily stand-ups? Do you think they are making the daily stand-up reports?
No. They
No,
I think they are working on the tickets for
they will
developing
work.
and
Mhm.
whatever is done at the testing.
Yes, whatever the things we have, okay, on the application only they will work. They won't do anything. Okay, reporting to managers, right? Making a good collaborations. These are the things they won't do, guys. If you give some ticket to them, they will develop and they will give to you. That's it. That is the work will be done by the Scrum team. Okay, that's why I have given only one point. This development team plus testing team is working on client requirements to make it done. Okay, understood, guys? Any doubts on this point? there is only one point, guys. Okay, right. Now I'm going to another, guys, artifacts. 3 artifacts. Okay,
Because Manoj,
yeah.
I feel so. This is very basic, right? Actually, they work on the deliverables. They create an increment, right? Scrum team.
No. See, the increment, when you are going to do the increment in a build wise, right?
Yes.
So you have to, if you are, you said that increment, what
Hmm.
you are doing in the increment, you are doing only this development, right?
Yes.
Are you doing any other?
No, no. Development. I mean, the work assignments. It has been with the developers and the QAs as a part of user stories.
Hmm.
They are delivering it. They are creating an
No, no. They are not delivering it. After completing the user story, they
Hmm.
are reporting to the Scrum Masters.
Yes, but after review, ultimately it's increment, right?
How you can say that increment? No. You are totally mistaking. Okay, let me show you. See, one ticket plus another ticket is not the increment, guys. I think that is totally wrong. You are misunderstood the tickets. Okay, right now we are working in agile methodology, right or wrong?
Yes, right.
Right. In agile methodology, what we are doing, we are working in a sprint wise,
Yes.
right? This is called the sprint one. Okay. In this sprint one, we are working on a basis of 2 weeks. Just consider 2 weeks. You know about the 2 weeks, right? Or do you want me to explain?
No, no, that's fine. That's a sprint cycle. That's okay.
Yes, it's a sprint size, right? 2 weeks in the sense, how many days we are working? 10 days,
10 days.
right? 10D. I'm keeping it as a 10, right? In this 10 days, now just consider from product backlog to sprint backlog. Who will bring the requirements? Product owner will bring the
Yes,
requirements,
correct.
right?
Hmm.
He brought 20 tickets, guys.
Hmm.
Can you complete the 20 tickets?
He brought 20 based on that the capacity the development team has. We need to calculate it.
Yes, may or may not. That is the
Yes.
answer.
Hmm.
Okay, may or may not. We may complete, we may not complete, right? Based upon capacity planning, how much of capacity we are having. Just consider we are having 700 capacity, 700 hours of capacity, right?
Hmm.
Those many tickets we are going to pick up. Just consider 15 tickets.
Hmm.
Okay, what we are doing after completing those, we are delivering it, right? Now
Right.
what you are saying is these 15 tickets is called as an increment, right?
No, no, no. After we ultimately it's a part of increment, right? We are delivering it. It is getting reviewed, and then we are getting a
Uh-huh.
sign off. Then it is going to production. So ultimately,
No,
it's a
see,
increment.
okay, just to see here, I will give you a real time scenario. Okay, you have a chocolate in your hand, chocolate bar.
Hmm.
Okay, if you give the chocolate bar to your kid, is it going to be the increment or a decrement? No, not decrement. Is it going to be the increment?
Uh, I have chocolate bar and I'm giving to kid. It's an increment. No, I don't understand this
Okay,
example.
I will see. I will say you another thing. So you prepare a food, right?
Hmm.
You kept rice. I mean, whatever you cook. Okay, rajma chawal. Okay, in my
Hmm.
house, rajma chawal is there today,
Hmm.
right? You served the rajma chawal on a plate,
Hmm.
and you gave that to the. I mean, you gave that plate to your husband.
Hmm.
Do you think that is an increment,
I,
or else? See here. Now you give one plate, right?
hmm.
Now what you are doing? You are giving another plate to your husband
Hmm.
to eat both plates. Now it is increment or what?
He have. I mean, he ate everything and he's satisfied. That then it should be called as an increment, right?
No. You are misunderstanding the concept. Okay. Let me give you here. I will give you a clear understanding here. I know that. Okay, they will say that at the end it is called as a product increment, right?
Hmm.
Yes, 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 I know that. But many people are getting a misunderstanding about it. Okay, see here. One, these are called 15 tickets, right? I'm keeping it
Hmm.
here, 15 tickets. Okay. Now you completed the 15 tickets,
Hmm.
right? Now what you are doing, guys? Now you are delivering these 15 tickets. Okay. Now this is called which sprint? SP1, sprint one, right? Now this sprint one is not the increment. Okay. Increment in the sense, if you add something, then it is called the increment. If you have the same thing in your hand, how can it be increment? Punam,
Hmm.
understood? Huh?
Understood.
Manoj, then why? I mean, when we call it as an increment,
Hmm.
the thing is like sprint 2, SP2. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Now, what you are doing, sprint 1 is completed.
Yeah.
Now, sprint 2 is what? In sprint 2, you have completed 20 tickets.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, what you are doing? You are adding sprint 1 plus sprint 2,
Yeah.
right?
Hmm.
Sprint 1 plus sprint 2.
Yeah. Deliverables on top of 15, we are delivering 20 more.
Yes, that is called as increment. Now total is how much?
35.
35. Okay.
Hmm.
Now this is called as increment. Okay. Sprint 1 plus sprint 2. And coming to the, do you know the definition of the product increment?
Yes.
Can you say it?
I was referring to product increment.
Okay. See, the thing is like you don't have much knowledge on that. Okay. I will explain it here. Okay. See here. The product increment says that if you have one build, this is not an increment. Increment in the sense, product increment says that if you develop something, or else if you add something to the current build plus sorry current build plus previous build,
Hmm.
that is called as product increment. Now this sprint one is previous build.
Hmm.
What is the current build then?
SP2, 20
Sprint
tickets.
2. Okay, now I want to know that this is SP3. SP3 I have 8 tickets.
Hmm.
This is third one. Now what is the current build and what is the previous build?
Then current would be 20 and then previous would be 8.
8. Now what about the 15, remaining 15?
It's been delivered right.
How you will deliver? That is the catch here. Okay.
Hmm.
See, that is the main concept we have to understand. Many people don't have this knowledge. Okay. In the interview point of view, they are facing a lot of issues. This
Hmm.
is the thing. What I did here, I will take another call. I have added these two, right? Previously,
Hmm.
sprint 1 plus sprint 2. Total
Correct.
how much?
35.
35. I kept it in a some other box,
Hmm.
right? Now, what is the product increment for 3, sprint 3? We have to add sprint 2, right?
Hmm.
But if you add the sprint 2, now this sprint is not getting added, right?
Hmm.
Now, what we have to do, we should not add to sprint 2. We have to add to this one. Now, what it is this? It is the combination of sprint 1 plus sprint 2.
Yeah.
Now, if you add sprint to this, now 3 plus combination of sprint 1 plus sprint 2. Right?
Hmm.
Now 35 plus 8 is how much?
43.
43. Right? Now
Hmm.
another box will be appear. Okay. Now everything will be in 43.
Hmm.
Okay. Now if you come to sprint 4, okay,
Hmm.
sprint 4 is there. Right? You should not add the sprint 4 to sprint 3, guys.
Yeah, it should be to 43.
Yes, you should add this to this one.
Hmm.
Manoj, how we are going to add it? these are these will take a lot of time. Whenever we start the Jira, na,
Hmm.
then I will show all these concepts. Okay.
Okay, so increments and that DOD and DOR are we covering during the Jira sessions only?
Yes. No, no, no. Theoretically, I will explain DOD and DOR.
Okay,
Practically, when we are working on it, I will show you
okay, fine.
what is DOR. What is, see here, I have the DOR.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. See, I have the deliver. Okay, no worries.
Sure.
Yeah. Any doubts on this product increment?
No, it's okay.
It's okay, right? If your doubt is not getting clarified, ask me. I will explain again.
So actually, in my 2 days, I mean, in my project, what we used to do is, so let's say we have sprint 1. Sprint 1 is going on. Then we have a review, right? Every after sprint, get like we have a review and then retro. So
Yes.
in review, we used to get it reviewed by the users. We will get a feedback, and if it is being working fine and accepted, then we are creating a build and we are deploying it. So we are calling as an increment. So that's why I wanted to
Okay.
clarify.
Yes. You have to say that previously. Okay.
So I was clarifying in that way. So
Okay.
ultimately, the deliverables are creating an increment, right, which is being
Yes. Okay.
delivered by development team. I mean,
Every
Scrum.
sprint you are delivering it.
Yes.
Right. That is the note. Okay.
Hmm.
You have to make a note of that. Every sprint you are delivering the things.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
Hmm.
So,
So we are not creating a big release actually. So small release we used to have a monthly release, and
yes.
quarterly we have a
Quarterly,
big
half
release.
yearly, yearly.
Yeah.
Right, we
Yeah.
do have that, but I'm explaining in this way because 99.99 percentage all the institute, all the companies will develop in monthly basis, yearly basis,
Correct.
quarterly basis, right? If it is a 2 weeks of sprint,
So you
right?
are explaining into like that major deliverables, right? Like a quarter release and all. So
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
I got it. I got it.
that might be in a the requirements will be, it is the combination of multiple sprints, right?
Yeah, yeah, understood.
Yes.
Understood. That would be a big release.
Yes, that's what. See, if you understand these big releases,
Hmm.
then coming to the small releases, it is going to be very less for you.
Yeah, correct.
Yes. Okay. If you know the small concept, you
Hmm.
can't understand the big concept.
Yeah, yeah, true.
Yes, that is the thing. Okay. In organizations, what I said to you is
Hmm.
what I'm doing in my organization, I'm going to reflect in the same
Yeah,
thing.
so actually it depends on the organization what they're following.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. If you know this, how
Hmm.
we are doing this, okay?
Yeah,
If it
yeah.
is like a quarterly release, right? Quarterly in the sense we are going to have like a 3 months.
Yeah, understood,
Okay,
understood.
don't have
Now it's
four.
clarified. So increment,
Yes,
it's okay, right? So
yeah,
what is the understanding I have for that increment is correct.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
So I'm just clarifying it so that it would create my base
Yes, yes.
on those concepts.
Okay, quarterly in the sense what we are going to do is it is going to be 3 months, right?
Yeah,
In
3 months.
these 3 months, right now my sprint is around 2 weeks.
Yeah,
Okay,
mine is also 2 weeks.
okay. I'm doing multiple projects. So one is 4 weeks, one is 3 weeks, one is 2 weeks.
Okay.
Like that, okay? So
Okay.
what we are doing, 2 weeks in the sense in a month we are going to have like a 2 weeks,
Understood.
right?
Hmm.
This sprint, just consider, here I got it as not for you, remaining people also is there, right? Yeah, they have to understand. Here we have completed 18 tickets,
Hmm.
right? Here we completed 12 tickets,
Hmm.
right? Here 15.
Hmm.
Okay, like that, how many tickets are there? We are going to deliver all the tickets at a time.
Okay, so we are delivering, let's say we have delivered 18, right? So out of 18, whatever the prioritization by that user, so we are delivering it to that monthly release, and that remaining one we are just collecting into that
Can
one
you
big
can you
release.
come again? Can you come again?
So let's say we have 18 tickets, right?
Okay.
So out of 18 tickets, 4 are being prioritized that they needs an urgent delivery into that production.
Mm-hmm.
So we are prioritizing 4 as a monthly release so that
Mm-hmm.
they will get at the very sooner, not to wait for that another 2 months to get it delivered. And that remaining like eight from 18 we had already delivered 4, right? So remaining 14 we are planning into that major release.
Okay, for
So
a
it
month you
totally depends on that prioritization and the requirement from the business.
no, no, no. In a sprint or in a month, you are delivering only four tickets.
No example I have given to you.
Okay, example.
Example.
Okay, okay. Just now in the morning batch I'm explaining these things. Okay,
Hmm.
there is also another scenario for this. Okay,
Hmm.
we are not going to take the highest priority items first,
Okay.
right? It depends upon the client,
Yes, it
right?
depends on the totally
Yes.
requirements.
In this also, we are going to prioritize. See
Hmm.
here, if the client requires 5, 6 first,
Hmm.
okay, we had a plan. Okay, just consider 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right?
Hmm.
What the development team is done is we want to complete 2, 3, 4 first. Next
Correct.
5 and 6.
Hmm.
Now, after one day, now the product owner came to us and he's saying that we need urgently these two requirements.
Hmm.
Okay, the development team might forget, right?
Yeah.
That's the reason what we are doing. We are keep these tickets as a flagged
Flag.
items,
Correct. Flag.
right? If we keep the flag items, what we are going to have, the development team can ensure that, and the scrum master can ensure that
That
these two tickets,
flagged items
yes,
should be completed first.
yes. Before flagged items, what we are thinking, this highest items has to be complete first,
Yeah.
right? That
Hmm.
is the scenario, major scenario we are following in the IT industry,
Yep. Correct.
right?
Hmm.
But there is another scenario. If we have the flag items, we have to go first. It
Correct.
might be low or lowest. That's why
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
changed the priority.
Hmm.
Right. Your doubt was clarified, right?
Yes. Yes. It's more clarified. So
Yes. Yeah.
we can continue with our today's
Yes.
point.
Sure. 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 No worries. No worries. If it takes one more day extra, also no problem.
Manoj,
Yes. Yes, Kanchi.
uh, I was saying, can we make a WhatsApp group for this batch?
Yes. Yes, Kanchan. The thing is like there is a kid in my house. Okay.
Okay.
Very
Okay.
naughty fellow.
Okay.
Okay. He kept my phone inside a bucket around 6 hours.
Oh.
Okay, that that, that phone is around 1,20,000. Okay,
Okay.
S24. Okay, I lost my mobile. Right now, I need to buy another. Okay, just give me some time. Okay, that's why I'm not using my personal WhatsApp. Okay, I'm
Okay. Okay.
I'm calling you through my company's company contact number. Okay, yeah. Give me 2 to 3 days time. I try to buy another new phone so that we can have group all these things. Thank you. Right.
If it is not possible for you, we can make.
Sir, weekend?
We can create a group.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no worries. I will create. See, if I create now, I will post something. Okay. If there is
Okay.
anything needs to be done, I will
No,
post something.
actually, I was just asking to
Mhm.
discuss something. If we have any doubts, we can discuss with
Yeah,
each
yeah,
other
yeah.
as well.
Sure, 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 sure. I will. Okay. I said to Sudarshan also. Sudarshan said to me, "You create Manoj." I said that, bro, I don't have a time, so better to create by yourself. And okay, he will create for you. Okay, guys, no problem. Right. You understand about all these concepts? Right. Right now we are going to learn about the artifacts, guys. Very, very important. So coming to the first one, product backlog. Okay. Product backlog. What is product backlog? I will say simply, guys. Okay. For our understanding purpose, I am saying it simply. If you want definition purpose, I can explain in definition purpose, but that is not required right now. Understanding is better, but it is going to be very good. Okay. What is product backlog? Simply, product backlog is like a good go down, guys. You know, right? Let me go in Google. Example is very good. Rice go downs. You know that, right? Rice. Guys, you know this, right? Rice go downs. Hello.
Yeah, Manoj, hearing.
Yes, it's like a warehouse, right, guys? Here also the same thing. Product backlog. Product backlog is like a warehouse, guys. Okay. Why, Manoj? Because in that backlog, we are going to keep n number of tickets. That means, Manoj, can we keep 1,000? Yes. Can we keep 10,000? Yes. Can we keep 1 lakh? Yes. Okay, but we don't have that many. We will get around 1,000 to 2,500. Depends upon the project. If it is like a small project, we can get around 500 to 700 tickets, guys. Okay, if we have bugs all these things, if you calculate, you will get around 1200 to 1500 tickets. Okay. For development purpose, you will get around 500 to 700 tickets. If it is a mid-range, okay, mid-range projects, you are going to get 1500 to 2500. Okay. If it is like a e-commerce websites, right, in that we are going to add a lot of modules, right? For that purpose, you will get around 5000 tickets. Okay. If it is like a continuation purpose, it is going to be like a hell. Don't ask me. Okay. How many tickets, Manoj? Don't ask. Okay. It depends upon the clients. Okay. Initially, what we are doing is we are just taking 1000 tickets for our understanding and for our practice purpose. Okay. Now, Manoj, you said something previously on the day 2 or day 3. Initially, in agile methodology, if we have the 10 percentage, if we have the 10 percentage also, we can work. Now, can you tell me in that way? Yes. Just consider this 1000 is 100 percentage, guys. Okay. Can you come to me? Can you say me what is the 10 percentage of 1000, guys? Anyone? Sir? Hello?
Manoj, Vijay here.
1 second, 1 second. Vijay. I want to know. Punam, what do you say?
Sorry, what Manoj? I mean, on the product
Ye-
backlog or the 10% of 100,000?
yes.
10%, 1% would be 10, right? So
Mhm.
10% would be 100.
So what you will say, Kanchan? Vijay, type your answer in the chat.
Sorry, I didn't get it.
What is the 10 percentage of 1000?
10 percentage of 1000.
Yeah,
Um, it's 100.
it's 100. Okay. Where is Kiran? Kiran left. Kiran. Yeah, Kiran. Left అయిపోయారు. ఓకే ఓకే యా జాయిన్ అవుతారా లేదంటే రికార్డింగ్ చూస్తారా ఓకే రైట్ హీ విల్ జాయిన్ he will listen to recording. Okay. So 1000, 10 percentage is 1000, guys. Sorry, 100. Okay. Now, if we have the 100 requirements in the backlog, I said you we can work on it initially, right? Poonam, you are saying about the requirements, right? So if you have the 100 requirements in your backlog, how many months can you work?
It totally depends on the team size and that capacity being
Mhm.
taken to that sprint. So,
Okay, initially just a round figure. Can you
uh,
work for 2 to 3 months?
yes,
Simply, it will take for 2 to 3 months,
yes.
right? So, in these 2 to 3 months, Manoj, what the product owner will do? He will try to figure it out another 10 percentage or another 20 percentage, right? He will add. Now in our product backlog, we are having only 100 requirements. Now product owner wants it idle, guys. Remaining items are there. Remaining 900 items are there, right? He will work on it. Initially, he has given 1000 requirements to complete. Whenever we are completing the 1000 requirements, he will parallelly add some requirements in the product backlog. Like this, go down. Okay, like this, rice go down, right? Like this, rice go down. If we have the stock also, what we will do? We are going to add some other also, right? We are going to keep some other bags. Like that, if we are working on some tickets, after completing the tickets, what we are going to do? We are sending to the deployment. Like this, if anyone wants the rice bags, what we are doing? We are giving these rice bags, right? And we are adding some other rice bags. Here also the same thing. The thing is like, if you complete this 10 tickets or 20 tickets, initially he will work for another 200 to 300 tickets for the next future purpose. Right, guys? Now, who is the person keeping all the requirements here? Basically, we call them as product owner. Okay? Product owner is the responsible person for the product backlog. No one is touching the product backlog, guys. Okay? Not the Scrum Master, not the development team. No one is touching the product backlog. Manoj, for one ticket, I seen that he written Bhagavad Gita. No problem. Whatever. Okay. And second ticket, he has written Power Rangers. Okay. That is his wish, guys. Whatever is there in product backlog, we are not responsible. How, Manoj? Can you show any example? I will give you a damn good example. See here. This is my Jira board, right? I'm taking the Mintra project. Okay, in the backlog. Now, this is called the backlog, product backlog. I will show you afterwards. Okay. See here, he is creating a ticket. It is in a bug. Let me keep in the story. He is creating a ticket that name is called as Power Rangers. Okay, I usually watch in my childhood. Okay, he created a ticket called as ticket name is Power Rangers. Okay, do you want to have a debate on this, guys?
No.
No. Why? It is in backlog. That is in client side, guys.
So that's the
Product.
owner for this backlog is product owner. So he should be bothering
Yes.
about what tickets he is creating.
Yes. He should aware of this, right?
Yes.
He is the responsible person. We are not the responsible person, guys. Okay? He is the responsible person. When we are getting responsible, Manoj, whenever this ticket is moved to sprint backlog,
Yes.
then we have to raise our voice. That means we should not shout on him. Okay? Hey, why you kept it like a Power Rangers? Right? What is the meaning of this? Okay? This is an e-commerce website, guys. Just to see here, Mintra. Okay? Mintra, Mintra. Right? If I check here, Power Rangers, we will get something that is called as a doll or something. He don't have that much idea on it, and he kept it like a Power Ranger. Okay? We have to ensure that. Okay? If I click on Power Rangers, what is this? These are our Power Rangers, huh? These are the toys, guys. Okay, that might be he kept it like a toy name, but he kept it on like a Power Ranger. But we are not going to understand about this thing. What we have to do, we should have some specific name, right? Power Rangers toys has to be developed, right? So the ticket should be specific. Then only our development team can understand. Now, directly development team can't task. They can't talk with the product owner. What they will do? They will have some initiation with the Scrum Master. Hey, Scrum Master, he kept like a Power Ranger. We are not getting it. Now, the Scrum Master will interact with the product owner, and he will say to the um, product owner that we need some specifically. Okay, we need the ticket name should be specific. It should not be in a shortcut way, right? For that, what we are doing, guys, and if we keep like this, just consider Power Rangers toys has to be developed. That is also not enough, guys. We should require the description. Okay, what are all the things we need to develop for this ticket? Everything should be described here. Okay, then only the development team can understand. Manoj, can you write the description now? No, guys. Now it is not possible. Okay, but I will show you. Okay, I had done something where I kept it. I have written on one ticket, guys. I'm not sure it is in Amazon one or something. I have written somewhere. See here. Are you following the 3C format, Poonam?
Yes.
Okay. So this is called the 3C format, guys. Card, conversation, and confirmation. Are you keeping like this only or any specific format?
No, so it depends on for few tickets we used to follow this one, and few tickets we directly write the description,
Like a
the
description
requirements.
format.
Yes.
Okay. So I will explain this thing only, guys. Card, conversation, and confirmation. Coming to the description format, it is like a essay writing. Okay,
Mm.
10 marks question. Okay, so, point one, point two, point three. Okay, but we have to mainly focus on this thing because in the interview they will ask you this question: which format you are following in your organization? I know that in my organization I'm not following this thing, but as a Scrum Master, you should aware of this thing. Means Manoj, I have to create this? No, guys, you are not going to create this. Okay,
Mm.
you are not creating this. Product owner will create this. Okay, product owner will create this, and whatever the card, conversation, confirmation are there, these three things has to be understood by the developers. Then only we are accepting the tickets. If you don't understand the description, we are not accepting the tickets, guys. Manoj, only description or any other? Yes. Here we are having two drop downs, guys. One is more fields and details. Details and more fields will be there in this. Let me show you details and more fields. In this, if anything is missing, we are not accepting this. Okay, we are not accepting anything. Everything should be applied to the tickets. Then only we are accepting. Who is the responsible person for all this is Manoj? As a Scrum Master, I have to check all these things. How, Manoj? By following invest principle. Bro, okay? What is this invest, Manoj? I will explain all those things very clearly and very deeply, guys. Okay? Try to understand these things. First, we will go ahead step by step. Up to now, any doubts, guys, in the product backlog? Kiran? Sorry, Kiran is not there. What about Vijay?
Understood, Manoj.
Okay, Kanchan?
Yeah, understood.
Poonam?
Is all okay.
Yes. Right. Coming to the second one, guys. Right. Hey, hi, Avnash. Yeah, Avnash. Yes. Yeah, yeah. I will send you up. Okay. Yeah, I'm in the middle of the class. Just 2 minutes. Okay. Yeah, by 9 p.m. I will send you. Okay. Right. What is the next one, guys? Coming to the sprint backlog, guys. Right. Now, coming to the sprint backlog, who is the responsible person for the sprint backlog, guys? Who are all working here?
Scrum team.
Scrum team.
Scrum team. Right? No Scrum Master, huh? Scrum Master also now.
Scrum Master is just for facilitation, but responsible for delivering that sprint backlog item is the Scrum team.
Okay. If there is no Scrum Master, can they deliver?
Ideally, they can deliver. It should be they should be the self-organized and
Yes, they are the self-organizing teams, right? But initially, Scrum Master should be there, right?
yeah.
That's the reason for the sprint backlog, Scrum team and Scrum Master. Okay, both are responsible. Okay, Scrum Master is not only for facilitating, guys. Okay, don't misunderstand Scrum Master. Okay, he is a very good person. Initial. Okay, whatever the roadblocks are there, everything will be taken care by the Scrum Master only in the sprint backlogs. Whatever the initiations are there, everything will be taken care by the Scrum Master, not by the Scrum team. Okay, Scrum team is just working. The process will be taken care by the Scrum Master. Okay, guys? That is the main role of the Scrum Master. Okay? Many people are not having the clarity on this thing. Okay, if the sprint backlog is there, only Scrum team is responsible. No, guys. Scrum Master also is responsible. Who is that? I think Karthik. Karthik, hello? Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes. Right, guys. Right? Scrum Master and Scrum team both are responsible, guys. Okay? Why, Manoj? Can you add anything into the sprint backlog and can you show me? Yes, I'm adding it here, one ticket. Okay? Now, why Scrum Master is responsible? See, this ticket is there, right? So, as a Scrum Master, what I have to do? I have to check this. This ticket parent is assigned or not. I will show you here. Firstly, I have to check description is there or not. Yes, description is well defined. Right. Now, do we have the subtasks or not? Now there is no subtask. We are not accepting. Then no need to check for any other. Okay. If you miss anything, guys, we are not accepting. Why? Because it is going to lead the whole development team in a risky way. Okay, that one ticket will make us to fall in a risky manner. Okay, guys. Kanchan, you are facing risk registers. Sorry, Poonam,
Yes, Anuj.
are you facing the risk registers?
I'm not getting what say.
Risk register.
Ah, yes, yes.
Yeah, what you are doing in the risk registers?
So if we found any risk with the of I mean risk with the deliverables, or maybe that Epic is not being created and then that is the orphan tickets, then
Mhm.
probably we should mention and we create a Epic. So here, parent, you are referring as a Epic or what, Manoj?
Yes, we are referring to Epic,
Okay.
right? If you, if you are not referring this as a parent,
Hmm.
then this ticket is not valuable ticket, right?
Yeah.
So what does the invest principle says? If there is no value for if the ticket is not having any value, why
Yeah.
to develop,
Correct.
right? There is no use to develop the ticket. That's the reason what we are doing, guys. We are creating the invest principle and deep technology. Are you following this too?
Yes.
Yes. You are saying yes, but no one will follow. I know. Okay. We are also not following, but we will check. As a Scrum Master, I will check for safety. Okay, safety first. Understand, guys? Up to here. Any doubts? Vijay?
Yes, yes, understood, Manoj. Yeah.
Okay. Tomorrow I will explain again for sprint backlog. Okay,
Okay.
one more time. And product increment I will explain. Okay, tomorrow we will try to complete uh,
Artifacts.
artifacts, all the artifacts, and these 5 values. Okay, and day after tomorrow I will explain about these 5 ceremonies. It is going to take a lot of time because we need, I mean, a lot of interaction in these things because everyone has to understand. Okay, so that is my main motto. If anyone don't understand about these ceremonies, no need to prepare for Scrum Master. Okay, guys.
Okay. Okay, Manoj.